Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn on keyboard sound on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well, first thing first, of course, here you just have to open your keyboard first. I'm gonna tap on this search bar and we'll see the keyboard at the bottom. And then to turn on the sound of the keyboard, you just have to tap on the settings icon, and now in the settings page, tap on the preferences options. Tap on it, and now we just have to scroll it down again. We'll see the key press options. The first is sound on key press. So here you just have to tap on the button first to activate it. When these options activate, I'm gonna try it first. I'm gonna key press on this keyboard. There are a sound here, guys. We can hear it together like this. And yeah, it will automatically stop. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.